Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Here is a general tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix Instagram notes feature not showing on Instagram. First of all, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram app. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Restart Instagram app. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. After that, clear cache. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps. Search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Uninstalling the Instagram app and then reinstall it. This can help in resolving any corrupted files. If none of the above solution works, you can report the issue to Instagram. For that, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, you can see here help, tap on it and tap on report a problem. In report a problem, you should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can add photo or screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.